Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Instacart on Android and start first order, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Android device and locate the Google Play Store app. Tap on the Google Play Store icon to launch the app. In the search bar at the top, type Instacart and press enter. Look for the Instacart app in the search results. Once you find it, tap on the app icon to open its details page. On the app details page, click the Install button. Wait for the download and installation process to complete. Once the app is installed, tap on Open to launch Instacart. If prompted, sign into your account or create a new account. To create a new account, follow the on-screen instructions and provide the necessary information. After logging in or signing up, you will see the app's main interface. Enter your zip code to browse stores in your area. Select a store to view their available products. Browse through the categories or use the search bar to find specific items. Add desired items to your cart by tapping on them. Adjust the quantities as needed before adding to your cart. Once you're done shopping, tap on the cart icon to view your selections. Review your cart to ensure everything is correct. When ready, click the checkout button. Follow the prompts to enter your delivery information and payment details. Review your order once more and confirm the total amount. Finally, tap the Place Order button to complete your purchase. Your order will now be processed, and you'll receive updates on its status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.